Alright guys, got the project car. This is a really nice one, and check this out guys. It's a diesel in a 4x4.
That's dope.
I am so excited, and we're gonna go pick it up. It's gonna be an overnight drive. Alright guys, so we're here at the auction, and the front place driver is just about to bring it out, and I think he's bringing it out right now. There it is, check that out guys. So here it is. What's up guys, it's the FixBroz, and today we got a new project car. This is a 2016 Dodge Ram EcoDiesel. So you might be wondering what the damage is, and at first glance you might think it's the front end, but no, it's not the front end. These frame rails look perfect. There was no damage to the front, maybe a little ding in the front bumper. The back took most of the hit. This quarter panel right here, and the frame is bent, as we did see over there, as you can see over there too. That's the way it bent the frame, because this hitch right here, it bent it down, but that's not a big worry for us because we can fix that. And also it did hit it right here a little bit, so that probably this part will need to get repainted on the other side. There is some scratching, as you can see right here, but that's not a big deal. We can paint that if we need to. We might find a new bed. If we don't find a new bed for cheap, we're gonna paint this one. We're gonna fix and paint this one, but now let's get into the parts it has with it. Starting off, we have a grill for the front. No damage to it, at least of what we can see right now. We don't see any damage, we didn't find any damage. This is probably a piece for the bottom over there in the front bumper, and it's missing the front bumper, which sucks. We're probably gonna have to buy a new one. Taillights, they're fully good. As you can see, you probably didn't even hit them. And then some miscellaneous pieces right here. They give us a license plate, which we don't really care about.
The taillights are not even damaged.
Yeah, the taillights are really good. Yeah, that's basically all the parts. This is the rear bumper. It's completely smashed. But I'm excited to start this build. This is a really nice one. Tires are new. Check this out. This tire is brand new, right? But all the tires are brand new.
Dude, this car has 14,000 miles. What do you
Yeah, so yesterday I even took off a sticker from the tire, from like a sticker when you buy new tires. And this one's good too. EcoDiesel. Let's check out this interior.
This is amazing.
I love this truck. It's only 14,000 miles, as you can see on the odometer. I don't know what this is, maybe some wipes. So they did leave the bolts for us, which is just really nice. They bagged it, and then they wrote which bolts are for what.
That's
as you can see, front bumper. They even left baggies in here. Oh, you found something? What are those? What the? Oh, so you can.
If you guys want.
I did not know this. We can fold back the seat. Oh, we found another part.
That's the front.
Some piece for the front.
Where you hitch it up right here, if you want to pull it.
All right.
It has a trailer brake already built in. This knob is pretty cool. And you have 4-wheel drive lock, 4-wheel drive low, and then 2-wheel drive. Just have this 12 volt, and the key is pretty interesting. Check this out. It's like this.
It's also more like a base model, but we don't really care because this is a diesel.
Dude, this is dope. A 1500 diesel.
The interior is basically brand new, considering the mileage it has, 14,000 miles. So check out that engine. It works absolutely perfectly. Actually, there is some sound. We want to show you guys what's going on in the shop. So we actually didn't tell you guys about this, but we have a Dodge Dart that we were rebuilding. It's kind of like a background project, but we didn't think it would be useful to record it. So yeah, this is my first time seeing it, actually, second time seeing it. It had a very light front end damage, so there was no use recording it. See, we got a new hood, got some body color over it. Yeah, so we're probably not even gonna record this, just we're gonna show you guys when it's done. The gray fit here, it had a damaged door that we got, same color, and we actually got the fender. The bumper, we had it, we didn't know that we had it. And we got,
this is the fender for this one.
Oh yeah, that's the fender right there. Today we received the headlight in the mail right here, as you can see. So these cars are going together in no time. After we finish these two projects, we're hopping onto the truck. All right, guys, so we're gonna take it for a drive. And before we do that, we gotta clear out all these parts. All right, guys, first drive. I haven't even ridden it yet, so let's do this. I'm excited. Okay. Is it on e-brake or not?
Always obey laws. Screw it. Hey, they're telling us to obey laws before you took the e-brake off, and then
I like it.
It's gone.
I like driving trucks. I'm gonna get a truck for my first car, guys. If you're wondering about the fit project, we're not leaving it yet. We're gonna finish it. We just gotta finish the cars in the shop, the dart and the gray fit, and then we're gonna do the truck, and then we're gonna complete this project. You guys, subscribe to this channel because you're not gonna regret subscribing, because we got some awesome stuff coming. Here's the drift marks for the brake marks that we made. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna show you the dart real quick. So it's a very cheap car, but we got it for a really good deal, so we can earn some money on it. Here's the interior. It's a very ugly interior. These cloth seats. The thing is, it has low miles on it. 17,000 miles. Inside the trunk, we had one headlight good and one headlight was broken. Had broken tabs on it, so we got a new headlight. Here's the new one, and all the bolts are here. Everything is left in here. The badge. If I want to be honest with you guys, I do not like this car. Last time we were here, we got some things done. We got the core support off of the parts car to go on this car, and it's right here. But we did figure out that we have to pull the frame a little bit because it's twisted. Also, we got the airbag module into the white fit. All right, guys, with that being said, this video will be a wrap. Stay tuned to see more videos coming up on this project, and like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.